So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming today on Twitch service. Before I will continue, let's check out if the stream is working properly. Yes, it does, nice. Let's listen to the audio to make sure. Am I not talking? What is happening? Yes, it works. Superb. Nice. So yeah, we are back in Nyarch Linux and let's check out the complete system information. Here we are using the terminal. Nyarch Linux, the kernel is 7.1.4, yada yada. However, I'm not going to read everything. You can pause the stream or later on the YouTube video when it will be available on my channel. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is full 4K, 3840 by 2160, running at 120 Hz. And today I'm recording and streaming at 30 FPS, full 4K but 30 FPS. But you will soon see the OBS settings. So let's go there. And here we are. The video is full 4K as I said, 30 FPS. I'm using hardware encoders. For the audio is FMPEG AAC and for the video it's FMPEG VAPI H264. The bitrate is 16,000 and I'm using MKV for the file. So yeah, with these things out of the way, I just wanted to mention that I tried as hard as possible and as best as possible to apply my resolver script for usage on this distro, on Nyarch Linux, GNOME edition, and on this computer with the AMD GPU, in order to have the best performance possible while running using etc. DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. The results, as you will soon see, yeah, certainly 100% there is a serious problem with DaVinci Resolve Studio 21, or most probably the free version as well, on how it performs on this old generation of AMD GPUs. And I think maybe BlackMagic have been closely, let me not use another word or sentence, let's just say that closely to NVIDIA it seems than AMD or something. This performance should not be happening on this hardware level, but it is what it is. And although I tried my best, it wasn't meant to happen. Still, I'm not able to recover full system performance without logging out or restarting the system, but we will get there. Before I will show you, let me show you what is Nyarch Linux. Here we are. This is the official website. The perfect Linux distribution for degenerated weebs. Arc-based, so you also need a neckbeard. You can grab it in GNOME or KD Plasma editions. And as they say here, learn more. It has some built-in stuff for the weebs out there. Like Comico, Nicoplay, Fragments, Lollipop, Shortwave, Neofets, Catgirl Downloader, and Nyarch Assistant. They mention these things for whatever reason, but they have plenty of other goodies as well in the system. Let me show you. It's like this. So yeah, as you can see, they have, for example, this gear lever here. They have Bazaar, basically their own version of App Store. They have like Nyarch Customize, Nyarch Tour, Updater. They have plenty of other goodies, is all I'm trying to say. Good stuff, especially if you're a new Linux user. Maybe you will, regardless if you are a weeb, otaku or whatever, maybe you will have fun with this distro. And as we saw the other day with my stress testing the system by having it run the Final Fantasy XIV MMORPG while having plenty of apps open, dozens of apps open actually, all while I was recording and streaming at full 4K 60 FPS, the system had no issues at all. So yeah, fantastic performance out of this little niche distro. I think it's niche distro, but yeah, if you like what you have been seeing so far, just give it a go. And if you are a weeb, otaku or something similar, maybe you will even more at home. Anyway, no need to drag this any longer. Let me show you how things are happening while I'm having the script run BlackMagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. If you're listening, the fans have already blasting into full performance, or at least the system is trying to do that. We will go back to my previous timeline that I showed you the other day. However, I have applied effects on about 2/3 of it, and then I have a complicated, so to speak, complicated transition and effect and grading. And yeah, let's see how well it will perform. Keep always in mind that the more I work with the system, the more performance degradation it will have. So let's see. Linux offers the best open source apps that every weeb needs pre-installed. This one actually, it was surprising to me that it kept on going about 20 FPS because I'm streaming and recording at the same time. Pleasantly surprised. Let me go to the even harder part, this one here. As you can see, just by moving there, it took some time for the video to appear here. Let's play back this part. Okay, this is surprising as well because it has like almost half the performance of the stream and recording. Good, I say. And then let's move to the normal part here. And let's play it back. So yeah, the performance have dipped a lot. This will be like 30 FPS, but it isn't. But let's keep on hopping between the tabs, between the app sections. Let's try to play it back now. Then this is it picked it up immediately. Let's go to the color grade section. As you can see, it took some time there to jump between the sections. Let's go, for example, here in this troublesome part. Okay, still plays. I'll stop now. And then I will go back again to edit. Then try to play back. I will do that. As you can see, we have even further degradation of the performance, but still surprising good while I'm streaming and recording at 4K 30 FPS. Let's go here again. Okay, so I guess one could argue that this performance is fine. But no, actually it's terrible. For this hardware level, this should not be the performance. This is actually shame for everyone involved. I don't know if it's Linux kernel related, I don't know if it's AMD related, I don't know if it's BlackMagic, I don't know if is everyone involved with it, but actually shame. This performance is a crime on this platform. Anyway, right now I have two things, two options. One is to keep the app open and have whatever performance I will be having, and the other is to quit the app and possibly take down the recording and the stream with me. But I feel like a daredevil, so to speak, so I'll just try to quit the app and see if my script will survive with the rest of the system and keep it going and maybe recover the performance. So let's live dangerously. Quitting the app now. The script tries to work its magic. We will see. And as I say on the last line, if the performance is not recovered, just relog or exit the system, or restart the system, sorry. Yeah, it feels like it's still working a little bit on the background, but I will let it be. I will move on, sorry. I will move on OBS. Okay, 0 dropped frames, this is good. Hopefully the sound, the camera, everything is working properly. I will let the terminal work. Nice, this is good. And yeah, seemingly the system keeps on working. So we survived the script, you know, like it didn't crash the recording or the stream or both. Or even better, it didn't crash the whole thing. So good. And also my browser, it's up and running still. Okay, let's try something else. Download now, like learn more. Okay, as far as the browser goes, the system performance is almost 100%. Let's try to open a few more apps. Okay, this takes some time, but at least it's not that hard, that of a problem like the other day. Yeah, this one took some time as well. I think it's a little bit better even while streaming and recording compared to the other day. And keep always in mind, the other day I was streaming and recording downscaled in full HD. That's something, you know. So yeah, the performance, I think it's better. Let's go with Tenacity, kind of a weird app. Always takes time to load. Yeah, clearly the performance is not there still. Maybe I was too fast, too quick on exiting the terminal. But yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. The good thing is that the stream, the recording kept on going. Hopefully the camera effects, the camera itself, the audio was on point, hopefully. And it seems that the rest of the apps survived, stayed open, the system keeps functioning, seemingly. As far as the performance goes, I guess the only true solution is to relog or restart the system. Otherwise, what can I say? It is what it is. If you have an old AMD GPU, especially if you have this old AMD GPU, do not even try running DaVinci Resolve Studio, unless, of course, you can handle another app like Kdenlive or something else. So in that case, good luck to you and be patient. Anyways, I think that was it for today. As always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!